Oh, just letting me cross. Appreciate. Figured I'd grab a video so you can see what it looks like when you pull up. And you're really close. Over there is the town center, so you have a bunch of restaurants, stuff over there, Publix. Community pool over there. So you got some condos up front, coming up on the townhomes here. You know, I think I've actually been in one of these when they built them originally. These look really familiar. All right, so it's 65. All right, so yours would be the one on the right here. Just wanted to give you an idea of where you're at in the neighborhood. There's a little cul-de-sac here. And then you can see the preserve here. That extends all the way out to that lake over there. It's a nice... All right, starting from the outside. Got your garage there. Coming in through the front. Little set of stairs here to get to the main living area. Really, really beautifully done. A little slower view of that. Extra pantry space. Guest bathroom. Some extra storage space here as well. Show you your view from your little balcony. Got a pretty fountain over there. And you can see no development here. Nice and private. Over there is the community pool for Tidewater. You can see the countertop here has a nice little bit of blue in there. Like the backsplash all the way up to the ceiling. It's got the crown molded ceilings as well. All right, so let's head on up. Hardwood floors here. Comes up to some tile in between the bedrooms. Smaller bedroom here, turned into a home office. Second guest bedroom. Let's see what we got here. Pretty small closet, but it does go back a little ways. It's got some depth to it. Trying to see if you can, not so much. All right, guest bathroom here. Pretty basic fixtures, but the tile that they chose is nice, and a nice tub shower combination there. Window pane in the bathroom as well. Washer and dryer, I imagine. Yep. Hanging out up here, bunch of extra storage space for your goodies. Coming into the master. Back up so you get a good view of that. Also have the water view from up here. It's nice. Give you the view from this side. Got the vaulted ceiling with the crown molding up there as well. Just looks nice. Like the aesthetics of that. Could have gone with a different fan fixture, but you can always change those. His and hers sinks. You can see that there. Let's see. Where do I go first? I think you got the toilet hiding in here. Yep. Extra bathroom storage. Gigantic walk-in shower. Got some extra, looks like they might have put that in themselves just for some bathroom products. You can see the waterfall shower there. Good looking shower. Let's see. Towel closet. Then you have the master closet here. All right, so it wraps all the way around. You've got 1, 2 extra layers of storage. You got some suitcases and stuff up there. You can see a lower rack as well. He's got his pants hanging there. But for the dimensions of it, it really is equipped well to store a lot of stuff. All right, so we got all that. We're gonna head back on downstairs. All right, so we're back at your living room. This is your front door. If you go over the other direction, headed down. Let's see, what have we got here? It's tons of storage in this place. Full bath here, again. Pretty simple, but I do like the tile they went with, and then a carryover from the counters in the kitchen. Interesting that this is almost, I would assume we're right below the master. It's about the size of the master down here. They sort of turned this into a secondary living room. And you've got a really decent sized closet in here as well. It just looks like they stored some random stuff in there. Give you an idea of the porch underneath your balcony. So you can see that there. I mean, boy, what a luxury not to be looking at somebody if you're coming out here and hanging out. They do have a separator here just to visually separate yourself from the neighbor on the left side. Go ahead and lock that up. Okay, and then we've got the garage. This is probably a coat closet or something. Yep. Okay. All right, nice little 2-car. Do something similar, I would imagine, for storage purposes. Where does this go? Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. So underneath the stairs here, all just extra storage. I do like how they thought of that. You've got your water heater hanging out in here. Good place to have it. Okay. I think the AC's probably living in here. Oh, I guess not. Just more and more storage. That AC is somewhere. I must have missed it. It was the last door that I didn't open in the garage. Got the AC hanging out in here, which is a beast. Installed in 2020, so you're not going to have any worries about having to get that replaced anytime soon. Been serviced regularly, you can see that here. Pulte Homes, by the way, pretty good builder. They've got good quality stuff. So that's a wrap on this one. I am impressed. It's in really good shape.